If you ever take pics, they go to the Photos app here, and if you delete them from there, they go to the recently deleted bin. If you want to recover your photos after deleting them from the recently deleted bin, then follow the following steps. For the first step, go on settings. After that, you have to click on your profile. After that, you have to go on iCloud. Here you can see that photos is on. That means your photo has been backed up in the iCloud. Open your iCloud in your phone or laptop and recover the photo from there. You can also recover the photos from the recently deleted app bin. For this, open photos. Here you have to go on recently deleted. Here you can see no photos or videos right now are recently deleted. If they are, then you can recover them from here. To recover the photo, you have to go on recently deleted. Here you can see there is a pic. Select the pic. Here you can click on recover and recover the photo from here. If you have a MacBook, then you can connect your iPhone with the MacBook, and then you can recover your photos and videos from the backup of the iPhone with the help of a MacBook. You can also recover your photos by using third-party apps, etc. Click on App Store, go on Search Photos Plus. Here you can see all the photo recovery apps present here. You can download any one of them and then simply recover your photos. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please support us by liking the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Do visit gossipfunda.com for more tips and tricks.